everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. I apologize for missing y'all, but everybody over here has a bad cough. But today we're making up some little cakes, some little hearts for Valentine's. The girls, my grandbaby, say hi, Scarlett.
Hi.
She likes to make little things up like this. She just loves baking with Grandma. But I already baked the cake up, and it's a little shortcut. It's something simple. It's for the kids. It's not something fancy, but it's delicious. It doesn't make it fun with the kids. It's what this is about. You can definitely, you know, make the little cakes, decorate them real pretty or write on them. But these are for the kids. We're not looking for something that looks like it came from a bakery, but they are beautiful little cakes. And we do these, for Christmas? Then you did them last year, Scarlett, she likes to give them to her little friends that she plays with around here. And we made some, last week?
Yeah.
Maybe a little over a week ago?
Yeah.
And they love them. But this is a half sheet pan that I'm using. Everything you need for it will be in the description. It's not much. But start out with your basic pound cake. Follow the directions on your box. I like to use the pound cakes because they're more sturdy. And just bake it. I baked mine, I believe, 20 minutes. Now, knowing the cake is really thin, it won't brown much. So I like to turn the broiler on for maybe a minute or two, just till it starts to lightly brown. If your broiler don't work, put this to the top, your very top rack. Heat rises, you'll get some browning on it. But just follow your directions on your pound cake box. Scarlett's got her little heart here that she's going to start cutting them out. Go ahead, baby. Should get 4 across. Press them down, and then just go across, just like you did your other ones, baby. And she'll keep doing that. Okay. Little Scarlett started taking these out. Show them how you're doing it, baby. Now, all the little leftover scraps that are in between, they're not going to waste. She's putting them in this little bowl, and she's snacking on them. Good job, baby. Grandma, put that one over here. The cake is a little warm while I'm cutting them. That's not going to bother anything. And just lift them right up off. Make sure your pan is greased when you do these. They come right up off there. And you could snack on the little pieces, as I said, in between. So we're going to continue taking these off. Okay, Scarlett did one real quick. She got all of her hearts cut out, as you can see. And now they don't take long to cool at all. And then we microwaved. And we did 2 colors. You do whatever colors you want. We did red and pink. And I used a half. I split it up. Half red, half pink. 1 16-ounce jar. Now you can do vanilla icing, chocolate icing. But we do put some strawberry jam in the center of these. Okay? So we're going to do a demonstration here. Scarlett tells me, Grandma, you do the one on camera, and I'll do it when you turn it off, and I'll finish. Okay, Grandma? I said, okay. She goes, I don't want to mess it up. I said, you didn't mess that one up. So the brown side is going to be your tops, and they're fun to make, right, baby?
Yeah.
And I do maybe a half a teaspoon. Now you could do lemon pound cake. Make your own pound cake. But this is about a half a teaspoon of jam. I don't want them overly sweetened. And then this side up. I got some pink on there, but that's okay. Kind of smash it together. The frosting was put into the microwave. Now, if this starts thickening on you again, you need to pop it back in the microwave because you want it pouring consistency. You're not going to get what you need to do here if it's too thick. And then you'll just drop that little cake in there, flip it around, get all those sides coated, get you a fork, And then we got some pink, like I showed you there. We'll do some pink. But as your frosting starts thickening, go ahead and pop it back in the microwave. It don't take long. You're not looking to boil it. Let all that frosting drip. And then just slide that fork right across and lay it right there on your cooling rack. We'll do some red sprinkles. How about that, Scarlett?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And she's got some little colored ones there on hers. Now, like I said, you can fancy these up however you want. But the kids love it, and I do a lot of baking with my grandbabies. They love it. Get creative with them. Put whatever filling you want in them. See there? Can they see those? Ain't those cute? And they store very well in a container. So we're going to finish these up. Okay, my friends, there are the little easy heart cakes that you can make at home with the kids, something fun. The only thing I done wrong, not paying attention, because normally I just pour the icing over them. I do dip them a lot as well, but when I dip them, I put them on parchment paper because then you got the frosting sticking to the cooling rack. So don't do that mistake. And I put them in little cupcake liners. But it's about fun with the kids. Scarlett, did you have fun? Tell everybody hi.
Yes, I did.
Scarlett or Layla?
Hi.
You didn't want to join in. She's getting too old. And I noticed another thing too. I used the canned cream cheese icing because that's all I had. But it does not set up as well as the vanilla icing does in the can. But have fun in the kitchen with the kids. And Scarlett already scarfed one down. We'll get one here off here so y'all can see those. How cute they are. And they're fun. Not too expensive. I think we got how many, Scarlett?
I think
11?
yeah.
11 of them I think we got. And like I said, you can put whatever filling in these you want. See there, I pulled it off my cupcake liner and I pulled my icing off because it was on that cooling rack. But normally I'll just put maybe a tablespoon of the icing and let them drip down the cake. But we wanted lots of icing today, right, Scarlett?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Give me some milk. See there? Delicious little treat there. Hope that's not blurry. But anyway. Those are good. But if you're new to the channel, I welcome you. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I don't think there's anything else we wanted to tell them, is there, Scarlett? I thought there was, and what is it?
My birthday's coming up as well.
Oh, the birthday girl? Yeah, my leap year baby. How old you going to be? 20?
No.
10?
No.
9?
Yes.
Thought you were going to be 5.
No.
Have fun with those kids. I tell you, they grow up too fast. But anyway, there they are, y'all. Y'all enjoy. Get your glass of milk. And until next time, we will see you all next week. Love one another. Eat well. And we will see you next week. Bye-bye.